Governor Soludo, you are not doing your work as a governor of Anambra State. You are not doing your work. Since 3 months now, Obogu Hair Bridge never opened. NAFDAC never opened people's shop. People there for house for 3 months. And you call yourself a governor. They came breaking people's shop. The owner of the shop will not be there. There's too many things. The evidence is there. Many people that left their money. Many people that left their money inside their shop, they don't see their money. Now that they take their money. They came to people's shop, break it, pack their goods, bought the one where they're good, pack everything, bought the money where they left in their shop. After they do all those things, 3 months, these people there for house. And now NAFDAC are telling them to pay 500,000 naira. Each person 500,000 naira. If you pay 500,000 naira, then go open your shop for you. Is it not wickedness? And we have somebody who call himself a governor of Anambra State. We have somebody who call himself Anambra State governor, Governor Soludo. You are not doing your work. Now Peter Obi, now he come condemning this evil NAFDAC are doing in Anambra State. And you call yourself a governor of Anambra State. You cannot stand up to condemn evil. People, the owner of the shop is not there. They break people's shop one by one. Enter that place. Clear their businesses. Man, do it, go ahead, man. Many people leave their money in the shop. They clear all their monies. And you call yourself a governor of Anambra State. You keep quiet. Now Peter Obi, former governor of Anambra State, he came. Say no, this is not how they are doing this. Former governor of Anambra State, Peter Obi is the one that came at Obogu, condemning what NAFDAC are doing. Listen to me, I'm not against NAFDAC to do their work. I'm in support of them to do their work. But this evil work, this satanic work, this evil work when they did at Onitsha is very bad. It's very bad. Do you know how many people have died at Onitsha? How many people died? BP, Mandunaya stroke. Many people have stroke now. The secretary of NAFDAC, Christian Adeyeye, this thing that you did at Onitsha, know that you will receive the punishment from all this evil, all these innocent people that died at Onitsha because of you, because of the evil work, he did at Onitsha. You will receive the punishment. Then don't kill many people at Onitsha. Many people have died because of this evil work NAFDAC did at Onitsha. Many people are Mugo. That is why I tell you people, bring me the pictures of those people. Send me the pictures with this my WhatsApp number. Send me the pictures of those people that collapsed. BP. For what Christian Adeyeye do to Onitsha. Send me their pictures. I will bring all their pictures. I will print it in banner. So that NAFDAC, they will see the people they killed at Onitsha. It's not good. Bring their pictures. Send me their pictures. All those people that collapsed. High BP and stroke. Based on what these people did. Christian Adeyeye. If I'm in Onitsha, send me the pictures of those people. Don't keep quiet. Because you that are doing business in Hair Bridge, if you keep quiet, in next 3 years or 4 years, the one will go happen. It may be you will die. And we will not get collapse because of the evil work I have again. We need to stand up for our people. And all of you now, I'm telling you people now to send me their pictures. All of you are doing I don't care. You don't know tomorrow, it may affect you. Bring their pictures. It's getting out of hand. Bring their pictures, send their pictures with this my WhatsApp number. I will bring their pictures and print it on banner. So that NAFDAC, I will show NAFDAC the evil they did at Onitsha. Before I land this message up, I say that I'm not against NAFDAC. I'm in support of their work. Yes, to fight all this fake drug, yes. But this thing what they do at Onitsha is evil. It's evil. It's evil. They cannot try such thing at northern part of Nigeria. They cannot try this thing.